Section 2. Make your own pair of spying night vision goggles with Pi. In this section, we will turn a normal VR headset into a pair of night vision goggles with the help of a Raspberry Pi Zero, which gives you the possibility to record and spy in real time, even on a night mission. Parts needed. In this video, we will go through all the parts and tools needed in order to make our night vision goggles. First, we will need our VR headset. You can use a cheap phone VR, even Google Cardboard, if you are not after the looks of it. In the one that I got, I will have enough space for my components and also has a cushioned pad to make it more comfortable to wear. This will be the perfect base for our project. We will need a Pi Zero W. The size and the wireless capabilities makes it the perfect board for this project. I had the GPIO pins header mounted, but you don't have to, as we won't use the GPIOs in this project. For our sensor, we will use a night vision wide lens camera for Pi. This will be small enough to fit in our case and has a good quality also. Make sure you also get two IR sensors. These will emit IR light that our camera will pick up, allowing us to see in the dark. To connect the camera to the Pi Zero, we will need this ribbon cable that is flexible enough for our use. You will find it sometimes bundled with the camera. A 2500 3.7 volt LiPo battery that will power our Pi and the camera. The size of it makes it perfect for our use. To safely charge it, we will use a TP4056 charging board. This little charger has overcharge and over-discharge protection and over 97% efficiency. But this will just charge the battery. To boost it, we will use a step-up buck converter. This will boost the 3.7 volts from our battery to 5 volts necessary to power up the Pi. To easily connect everything together, we will use some 21 ribbon cable for Arduino. This will allow us to just plug and play our components together and easily disconnect them when we need. The last addition to our circuit will be a 1 cm light switch to power on and off. Lastly but not least, a smartphone that you are not too attached to. This will serve as a display for our Pi camera stream. Now let's go through some tools. A small screwdriver that will help us disassemble the headset. A clamp for cutting the wires. A pair of anti-static tweezers. A multimeter. A hot glue gun. A soldering iron and some solder. A rotary multi-tool for modifying the case. And a small step drill bit. And these are the parts and tools that we will need.